Of course, not cheating. I just pure and plain because if you still inside relationship with your partner and then her best friend or his best friend, I don't think you should have anything to do with them at all. So what is, let's call it spade, it's a cheating. Yes, or it's a cheat, so to say.
Spade. He say it's cheating. But really, the guy talk say it's cheating is a cheat. But for me, I don't believe saying a cheat. You know why? Because number one, you don't sleep with the girl. Number two, maybe in a situation make Ura take crash on top the same bed. So why would you call it cheating?
You were saying something to me today. I think was it yesterday? You were saying something about hey, how did you put it? Say girls, if they know, okay, we're talking about married women. Well, I tell you, say get some married maybe go come the dance for me. They shake their bum. And you tell me say
I say many of them don't get intention of having sex with you.
For women, now, say dancing to
when
them.
they dance, na fun.
But
then when they bum they rub you.
Yeah, they
rub everything.
But na just fun. But only when they open, I be the real thing. So so the same vein, if a girl comes to your house to sleep. And maybe you as the guy also no stir up the emotions and you dey on your own. I don't see that as cheating. As long as if the girl no get house to go to or something dey happen.
But let me
and
tell
you are
you,
a friend.
let me tell you when it becomes cheating now. If the girl come your house, she sleep on her own, you sleep on your own, and not do anything, and the boyfriend no, it's cheating.
Yeah, because everybody there are some. But I give a boyfriend. You have a point.
Yes.
Good point. But you see, there are some things you keep secret because
even as you are keeping it secret.
If I tell my
you don't feel say some as showman talk and say some things there where you need to keep. For instance, now I be babe, I dey go out with you. Showman na your friend. I ended up in Showman's house, and I know say if I go to call you now, they tell you say I dey Showman house, I will crash Showman house so because of say something happen. And I know the kind of person where you be because you Shakara, we know you are a very jealous person. Very, very.
No,
you go take
person.
You go
not jealous.
jealous.
I'm an emotional person.
There's nothing emotional. There's nothing jealousy about him.
You never know.
Shakara, we don't get jealousy. Who want jealous?
Because I
let me tell you.
Because I don't give him back pass. Because I give back pass.
A man.
So you know say
a man that
kind of man where you be now go make him.
Don't mind him. He's limiting your ability. Don't mind him. You cannot be.
See, let me tell you about it. This instance I make now. Let me even give you an instance. If you have a wife. And then I'm not really chatting with you. No, be like say we're not too close. Don't be chatting to you, but always chatting with your wife. Do you know something is wrong?
Yes, you can because.
Do you understand?
If first and foremost, it's even wrong to be chatting with someone's wife.
Yes.
Because I can say, like for instance, now, Ellen, you understand? I can talk to. I always avoid to even get my friend wife for my phone because there are things where I fit want do. Take for instance now. We had a party, you understand, on my birthday. It was obvious that some of us feel no want either our girlfriend to come to the party or our wives to know. So if she's on your BBM, she already knows. Some things, some things can be kept secret. But my point is this: it happened to me before. My South African girlfriend was coming to Nigeria, and the night when they fly, they come in. I don't know how it happened, and I later noticed that other girl the girl gets ulterior motive. Now my neighbor who they live around there, apparently she come back say they don't lock her gates. You understand? And me will be late night crawler, they driving, and I see the girl for outside of her gates. They sit down. What will you do as a normal person? This is not like her compound is like opposite our own. So I offered her, you understand, come and sleep. And before God and man, nothing happened. And guess what? I tell my babe, say one girl, you understand, when they live opposite here, sleep for that thing, no end though. It was issued for like years. I tell her first, she first come on the bed sheet first. I said the girl don't even sleep on top this bed, sir, because she get was even just fine to sit down for parlor, just even dey okay. She come on bed sheet first. She dey even say our matrimonial bed. I say which matrimonial we don't marry. Wait, say matrimonial bed.
Wetin this thing remind me now? When I dey student those days for Brown Road. One I dey double date these two girls.
Okay.
You know, I just dey form
you
lover boy there.
you know,
You understand? Wait.
Okay.
That one come. He come meet girl. Meanwhile, that girl we meet, I don't really get good time. You know, clean girl, everything, you know. Like I think, and she come verse. This bedsheet so. And so she pack bedsheet come up. You say like she don't feel like for that bedsheet. Then she go so calm.
You see?
Carry
soap, everything.
Put inside. Say she go wash her later.
Some girls
so
can be
now,
that
listen,
jealous.
I don't come play with them. Say she could have come Kuda. So he come be at home, come dey play. So as she come pool, my brother, he come like say I been come up from inside air freshener. You understand?
Yeah.
And I see the parents say they clean up things, say I bring it. You understand?
Yeah.
So me I don't know how one cut it. I say, man, you just mess up sharp because you just like say you carry me come up from. You carry me come up from fast food. Come put for mama put.
Can you imagine?
You understand? Me when I see get the dirty problem. But she form since na she dey.
Oh Jesus.
I remember this is your opinion when we come back. We go carry on.
I don't know we dey cast some stories here, but when I pass them.
Na cheating.
Yes, na cheating.
No be cheating per se, but personally, I no go fit do am.
Yes, now na cheating now.
Why you go sleep with your friend partner for bed?
I wasn't gonna make you go lie down with my guy friend for the same bed. I'm not at home. I know the house. It's very, very wrong.
It don't make any sense now. Without her knowing about it.
I no go fit do am. No, not at all, because na only myself I trust. As for my partner best friend, I don't know wetin he get for mind, so I no go fit do am.
I'm sorry, I love fine girls. Ugo.
That's very beautiful.
I was not even looking. I didn't even see her. Like that.
That's good, but I
I
love
just say she wear glass.
That girl is very fine. She's very
A
beautiful.
lot of women here don't talk say na cheating. And you wait there for house, they beg. Send us message on top our social media portals. Make we know your own view on top this matter. Na cheating, I be no be cheating if your partner, friend, sleep with your partner.
Now, take for instance now, Shakara, on my birthday, your friend was with her girlfriend. And the initial plan was that they want come to my house, which in the end, it did not happen. So if they come my house, you understand, and they sleep, maybe 3 of us sleep for bed. It's not a threesome. Because I have a very big bed, so we will have had 3 of them on the bed. So how far? Will you have called that cheating? They came for a party.
Funny enough,
No.
They did not have where to go.
I don't think I'll call that cheating or anything.
funny enough, she's not my girlfriend.
I'm just
So,
saying,
you
your
understand?
friend.
You know,
So,
you
but
said
imagine,
now.
no, what
You
I
said
said
that
is
your
my
friend.
girlfriend.
No,
My
what-
girlfriend cannot take her friend to your house.
No, but
to go and
imagine you went for a show, maybe in Abuja, and this was my birthday, and she has to come for my birthday. She was even come with you, and then she was coming with another girl. You understand?
No, they won't go to your house.
Where would they go to?
Because,
why can't they go to my house?
He's
they
your
go to
friend
your house?
now. Why
I
can't
am
they
your
go to
friend
that?
now. Do you think I'm that careless or reckless? Why would I don't understand.
What if they don't even again? No, because you guys don't confuse me. We go. I say they can't go to his
Why
house.
you say so?
Oh
Why?
my God. Is it not my own? They can't go to your house.
Yes, no, why can't they go to my house?
People wanna see me.
Okay, but-
I saw my girlfriend. My girlfriend.
Okay, but-
they can't go to Showman's
Okay, but
house
wait.
to go and sleep.
Okay, but your girlfriend and her friend
Yeah.
is my girlfriend to be. Imagine that scenario. Your friend is my girlfriend to be.
So the two of them will not come and sleep in
had
your
to
house.
talk. No, because her girlfriend.
You carry that one go there. My girl will use cab and go home.
Why? She cannot go home. You don't lock her gates now.
Which gate
She
they
even
lock?
she said that they lock her gate. She said it. So I mean,
No,
they have to
true.
come to my house. Why are you this weekend? You know these boys. They are dangerous.
But why we say,
I don't understand.
I want to ask some question. Why we say this thing called trust? It is hardly there with men. Why? When it comes to the issues
Because
of women.
men are the
Why?
highest. Let me tell you.
Wait,
men are the highest cheats.
Wait, we say
Let me tell you.
You go down there with girl.
It's a lie.
For club. the idiot go still come, come they press the, you know that?
It's a lie.
So-
Shakara is the only, he won't expose himself. Shakara is the only guy that I know has done it twice. That will go to a club with another girl and still see another girl inside the club and leave his own girl and come and meet the other girl and be telling the girl.
dancing.
Excuse me, wait. Then, which person do am? Stupid Cross, our friend Cross. Cross on last week Tuesday, reggae night. Cross come with girl to come reggae night. Maybe not be girlfriend, I just girl. The other two girls wey dey with me now wey we dey enjoy reggae night. Cross wan dey begin tell that.
No, one of those girls supposed to be for me.
Excuse me.
That's all one. You snooker me for that girl. The girl asked me to meet you to give her,
Excuse
to give me
Let
a
me tell you
number.
what
This
the
is
girl
how
said.
they put
Let me tell you
on
what the
national
girl- Let me tell you what the girl said about you
He said-
and what the girl said about Cross. You are Cross. That's why I use you as example.
Okay.
Shakara and Cross.
That were womanizer.
You're always with a girl. So how come you be with a girl? Cross had the mind. He sat down beside his girl, bought the girl food inside the club. This other girl don't say that your girl.
No, but let me bring that girl. Oh,
No,
sorry, let me go marry.
Jesus
Me,
Christ.
you wife. sorry, let me wife. Maybe let me walk up.
Eleno was alone. No. So now, in all fairness, Eleno was alone. Now, Cross now, don't go to tell that other girl, say, you know, nobody say he check the girl, but you get know when get on the
Try
So
check.
now when they want go Cross,
But
go
in my
tell me.
own case, she
Now the
said,
same girl where you want that
she
Cross
said
was.
I should
Now the
collect
same, is that what she
day.
said?
Now from that place now.
place?
From my party.
From your own party?
Yes, now.
She
That
said
I
she
should
give-
collect the number from you that because of the environment. You understand?
Okay,
the
now
environment.
to you now.
Because
Okay,
she
well,
was with a guy that day.
I'm very sorry. I'll give you the number.
That's what she
but
said.
Like you know, my phone has been stolen.
Your phone has been stolen. Agree.
Yeah,
Now,
no,
Shakara.
You do a comeback. All your numbers come back. They are backup day. Don't tell me that to come. Not take that.
So now the number you dey hustle for now.
No, leave Showman. I got to look at. Come and snooker me for that girl. He snooker me.
This is your year of settlement. You have to marry this
You
year.
have to marry.
So I
If
don't
you
want
don't
to-
give me this kind of people number,
You
I had
be complicated. Your life will be
Now
complicated.
inside there they choose. Inside the
What
complication.
is your Facebook status now? Single,
They-
complicated, or
I know
married?
say I don't even know because they don't hack that Facebook.
Your life, you don't have
Or
to
another person, and they upload the Facebook while they update.
you know. If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.